million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this Hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip, y'all, and it's not on this banging fall pumpkin patch, still not a Target, whichever wig on my head. This review has already gone up. I probably got footage of me doing all that twirling around stuff, and I'll link to that video up there. But this wig is sent to us by the same company, and that is SamsBeauty. Y'all know I absolutely love them. Got a lot of my own stuff, or I get a lot of my own stuff from SamsBeauty. Love them. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to the one we're about to review, as well as all of Sam's Media's SamsBeauty social medias. Okay, this one on my head is in the style DPL005. That's the only thing I hate about this line. This next one by Studio Cuts, that's where all three came from. This one is in the style DPL011. So for those of you that like longer hair, okay, we did a short red wavy bob, and we did this one that's on my head. Now we got a long unit. This one SamsBeauty sent in a color that is so pretty, and I never reach for colors like this. This one is in the color OT1B27/30, and it's super long, y'all. She is very, very long. Got long, very long, and that color is so pretty. She came with lace that I cut off, and I put some tint spray on this unit, but other than that, you know, I ain't done nothing else because I want y'all to see it fresh out the pack and check that texture. Same texture on this unit. Ooh, okay. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get two combs, one there, and lace to the ear and a lace part, okay? Let's take off, what is this one called? 05. Yes, let's take off 05 and let's put on 011. And then I'm gonna come back with my final surprised me for a couple of reasons. One, I do like this color, and normally I hate a warm blonde like this, but the biggest surprise that I got from this wig is that it's not shedding like the Dickens. Y'all look, stop hitting my earring. Y'all, I can get straight through this hair. And I think it's because of the texture on this unit. I also know that Studio Cuts tends to be one of your more affordable options. So if you are looking for something with inches, this is definitely it. Do I think you're gonna get like 4 or 5 uses out of this wig? Nah, Playboy. Okay, because I mean, it is a long synthetic wig, but what I can say to you 100% is it's not tangling on me now straight out of the pack. But it will, but y'all, when it does, cut it to this length and how pretty, but y'all know I do that. And then even if you cut it to a little angle bob, how pretty is that? Y'all, this hair is nice. It's just nice feeling synthetic hair. So I 1000% recommend it. Y'all know I normally love shorter or medium length hair. So I'm kind of surprised I'm saying this. But between DPL05, 11 and 12, y'all, I like this one the best, I think. This is a lot of inches to get for the price point and the quality. So 1000% recommend that you pick this one up. Really, I recommend all three of them. And that's with every one of these studio cut wigs from Sam's Beauty. Love, love, love them. If you look at our description box, like I said, I put a direct link to where you can pick her up. Y'all, and y'all see I'm trying to make her tangle, right? I'm not getting anything, so yeah, definitely recommend this one. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Tasha. Maybe it's your Uncle Timmy. Maybe it's your Granny Tony. Whichever one, send them my way. And studio cuts are some great quality, affordable synthetic wigs out there for any beginner or any wig slayer. Y'all, this is bomb. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye. Oh, I gotta, bye.